Our star for this instead of no-go and instead of Sophie, because, you know, all that shit failed. All right, stay here.
This is Alphin.
Mr. Alphin. Okay.
Alfonso.
Our no chomp gromp. We're gonna do nail trims, and this is how to hold them. So I've wrapped it up and over the top of his head. His head is here. My fingers are holding him from backing up. He's gonna snaky tail already. And we're gonna pick this up and fold the fleece under and tuck him against my belly. And I'm going to pull out a foot so we can do some nails. And his head is over here. His body is in my hand, and I'm keeping him from backing up or doing anything, and the fleece is keeping him from going forward or sideways or anywhere else. Chirp, chirp, I know. Okay, other back foot. Same position. We're just going to turn him over a little bit. So belly to belly, basically. And grab the other back foot. So he turned around. His head is right here, and he's in a ball. But he can't go anywhere else because I've got him tucked really solid in that fleece. And because I have him tucked against my belly, that's helping hold him still. Mister, you got to keep the snaky tail out of the way. He's so mad. Why are you so mad? Why are you over it? Okay, that was the feet. Now we don't go for hands. Come here. So right hand first, belly down, fleece wrapped up from the back. So his head is right here. And I pick it up and tuck that fleece under on the side and pull out his right hand and wrap the fleece around that arm. And I've got him tucked against my belly and in my hand and pressed down against my leg so he can't go anywhere. Chirp, chirp, I know. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Okay, now for the left hand. So this one is going to be belly up.
Belly up in the air.
Belly up. So his head is right here. I've got the fleece tucked up around him and over his side. And we're just going to tuck all this in.
Carefully, of course, obviously.
Yep. Always aware of body position so you don't break a neck or something. And then we're going to wrap the fleece. So his head is in my fingers right here. And I'm just wrapping the fleece around his arm.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
So his head is right here. And I wrapped that fleece around his arm so I can take his hand and hold it. And now his head is right here. And his body's tucked against me and he's belly up. And now he can't move or go anywhere. Chirp, chirp, chirp. I know. I know. There you go, mister. All done. Is that better? Good boy.